Good morning everyone, this is Linear Wireless coming back with another repair video. In this repair we will be fixing the camera lens for a 13 Pro. The customer dropped it and shattered it, so we will go ahead and fix that camera lens, and we'll clean the camera right there so it works perfectly fine. Let's do it. First we will starting with the heating up, of course, and then we will use this. If you can see it, see right there. Okay, have to make sure that we are not touching the camera itself, so it will not damage the camera. Okay, this. Okay, there you go. Now we just have to make sure there's no glass left on the edges. Last touch-up needs to be, just have to make sure, you see there's one little glass out there. Okay, this is out of the way. Alright, one last thing what we're gonna do is clean this lens. Okay, just have to be very careful, and we just have to be very focused here to see if there's nothing particles on it. Now we will just grab the replacement part. So the replacement part actually come with the adhesive, so we actually don't need a we don't need to install adhesive there, but that's we just have to make sure we're using the right one there. Yep, this is it. So this is right there. We need this, and we have to remove this film here to expose the adhesive. And before you do it, just wanted to make sure there is no dust in there. And then what you're gonna do is put this right here. There you go, problem solved. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please subscribe for our channel so we can keep posting more videos. Until then, see you around. Bye.